Xiaomi is working on a new flagship smartphone which is called Xiaomi Mi 12 Pro. Let's get into the details of the specification. This phone has 6.28-inch AMOLED display with HD plus resolution of 1400 by 3200 pixels. The screen boasts a 509 ppi pixel density, a punch hole arrangement in the top left corner, and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The display has a huge viewing surface and an 86% screen-to-body ratio. The power button and volume rocker are located on the phone's right side. To keep the smartphone safe, there's an on-screen fingerprint sensor incorporated into the display, as well as face unlock via the selfie camera. The Mi 12 Pro is equipped with an octa-core Snapdragon 888 CPU, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage, but no memory card slot. The phone comes pre-installed with MIUI 11, which is based on Android 11. The Mi 12 Pro has a triple rear camera with a 50 megapixels wide-angle primary sensor, a 50 megapixels telephoto sensor, and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide-angle sensor with f2.2 aperture. The phone sports a 32 megapixels selfie camera on the front that also allows video calls. The Xiaomi Mi 12 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery that enables both wired and wireless. On-screen fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and a headphone jack for audio streaming are among the phone's other features. The phone has Wi-Fi, 5G Bluetooth 5.2, 4G Volt, USB OTG, NFC, and GPS. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell button to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch.